Hey everybody, Christina here with Club La La Land Crafts. We know what time it is. It's time to open our monthly beautiful gold envelope that we get in the mail every month. This is the December 2019 club kit that I will be showing you. Let's get it out of the beautiful package now. We have our thank you for subscribing card that we get every month, which is perfect for storage. And this month's kit is all about hope and courage. Let's open this up. Get all these wonderful things out. There we go. So this card that I mentioned to you is perfect for mounting your stamps on, or not mounting, but putting them on because they're that thick, really nice cling foam. And so you can just stick those on there and they stick and they're perfect just for storage purposes. It's awesome. Actually, I'll leave that here for you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this beautiful stamp, beautiful rubber, the cling back. It's really nice and really deep etching. This is Courage Marci. She's so cute. One of her sentiments is courage, the quality of mind or spirit that enables a person to face a difficulty. Then we have fight, and we have like a girl. And they're separate. The sentiment is actually separate, so you can either have one or not have the other. It's pretty nice. But she has her cute little boxing gloves on, her adorable little scarf, and I know that one of our team members actually turned the top of her scarf into hair, so she had more like a little bandana. But then she has her little tutu on, a cute little shirt, and some little boots that I just love turning into Uggs. So we have that one. Then we have these cute, super adorable cuties. You can tell that it's really deeply etched just by looking at this. And their little cute sentiments are, you're stronger than you know. Let's see, I'm in your corner. And we got, hey, tough stuff, which I love that sentiment. I think it's so cute. And then here's another one that says, I'm here for you. And you have two little panda bears, one with its arm around the other one. You have another one with an awareness little ribbon. You have one with little boxer shorts and little gloves. And he's got a little belt on. They are so cute. And then our die cuts are so nice. I love them. So I've already been using these. So this hope actually comes in the center of this heart. And this is called the heart, or the hope heart. This is the awareness ribbon die, and it's all nicely stitched, and it cuts out so nice. Then we have the word fight, and these all come out apart. They're not hooked together or anything. They come out apart, so you can use this for many different things. You can spread them out, you can layer them up, whatever you want to do. But these are the dies for this month. They're so cute. I love them. And then these are the stamps for this month. Maybe I should put them this way in case anything's off screen. So, but this is almost a $90 value for everything. And you are actually, if you get the whole kit, the full kit, it's $39.99. If you only want the stamps, those are $19.99 as a member. If you want only the die cuts, which they go together, but to each their own, and if you only want the die cuts, those are $29.99. So if you put the stamps and the die cuts separately together, that's well over $40 when you can get the whole kit for $39.99. So that's absolutely the best value to do. And when this goes out to the general public in over a year, yeah, you'd have to wait a year if you're not a member, that will be almost $90 that you have to spend to get this kit. So it's really a lot better if you just get the kit and get it now, and you know you're going to love it. You have until the 24th, Christmas Eve, to sign up as a member. So put it on your wish list. Maybe somebody will get it for you for Christmas. That would be awesome. That's like a really good gift. So this is the first card that I made with the kit. So this, I made it into a little shaker card. I don't know if you can, I'm trying not to be too fast, but I do have the sun coming in. So, but I've got the two little panda bears, one with the arm around the other one, and I've got the awareness ribbon bear. And I put, hey, tough stuff, I'm here for you. This, I used the die cut that I was telling you about, the fight, the stitched fight, and all I did is I took the letters out and used the scalloped rectangle, and I just made it, I put the little layer behind, and then I just made it into a little shaker card, and it works perfect, and it's so cute. I love it. So I'm not sure if I want to give that one up, but I might. I'm going to have to. So that's the first card I have for you. Then I have this one that I made. This one was so much fun. I loved it. So I cut out the scalloped rectangles, and I cut out the hopes and stuff, and I put the little bear with the gloves, and I put Marci, Courage Marci with her little gloves, and I wrote Champ in the middle of his little belt there, and then I put Fight Like a Girl, and then I've got some other, I've got the large framed, oh goodness, the large nested frames. That's what I'm going for. So if you want my supply lists or anything for this, or you want to sign up, you can have all the links down in the bottom. If you are watching this on my Instagram channel, then you can go to my profile and all the links will be in there for you. Okay, so I hope that you liked my video. I hope you will subscribe right down there, or you will follow me if this is on Instagram, so that you can see more of these awesome kits as they come out. So my coloring details will be down there. My supply list will be down there. You will get to see it all. Okay? Also, oh, I almost forgot. As a club member, you get exclusive tutorials from every single team member. That's a lot of tutorials every single month. So don't forget, this is only $39.99 for the full kit. You know you love it because it's cute. You know you want it. So great Christmas present for those of you that are watching for someone else, or maybe you just want to buy Christmas for yourself. So this is great value. You get lots of tutorials. You get the stamps. You get the die cuts. You're going to love it. So keep watching. Merry, Merry Christmas. And I hope to see you after the first of the year, if not sooner. Bye now.